So, we bought a motor.
Woo! We are on the way and we're only 6 hours late.
To get some gas. Get us some gas for the Trickermer. All right, just made our second stop. We're in Florida right now, but we got to drive all the way down to Lauderdale from Georgia, so it's pretty much at the end of the fork at Florida. Look at that gang. Almost there though. Gonna hit you guys up next. Next thing you guys will see will probably be us there picking up the motor and everything. You're gonna love it.
Oh, we filming.
Oh, we filming.
Keep going. Stop. Good, perfect.
All right, so we're here. Got
Yo,
my boy Aaron in here.
What's going on,
Yes,
guys?
sir. And if you haven't noticed already, we're picking up an engine, but it's no ordinary engine at all. What we have right here is a boosted VQ35DE TT.
Yup, we got it fully built.
Yes, sir.
We got
Yes, sir.
Wiseco pistons, Eagle rods, ARP bolts. We got the Dynasty billet girdle. We got the ARP. What was that again? Super damper pulley. Dude, the injectors. I think they're like 950.
950
No, I think they're
cc.
thousands. I think they're thousands.
1000 cc's?
Now they got the 1050s, which I got in the car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, twin turbo AAM kit, made 575 wheel horsepower before, unfortunately, my buddy Matt crashed it. And everything is still good in the motor, 150 PSI in all cylinders. So your buddy here is in good hands, and he's gonna wild out with his boosted build. So you guys
Finish shred.
Yup.
Finish shred. All right, right now, getting a ride in RSG.
What's up, guys?
I don't know if I should be scared. This is fast.
Gotta show Justin what he's about to get into right now. Style right now.
Yes, sir. Man, I'm terrified.
As you should be.
Yes, we're about to see. We're about to experience hands-on what 500 plus wheel horsepower feels like.
The thing about VQs is like they're already really fun to drive and really fun to handle, like in general. For some reason, like when you put boost to them, it's just a whole different car, a whole different feeling. And like you don't really get that out of any other car. From what I hear, I've driven other cars, nothing crazy, but from what I hear, any other boosted build, they just don't have that. I don't know. It's that ratchet drunkenness that these that these cars have.
Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my
Boost of life, Justin.
Boost of life is coming. It's on the way. It's on the way. It is on the way. Oh my god! Motor's all wrapped up right here. Got all the parts. Got some stuff for my boy. Man, it's so sad that it came out of this. It got hit really bad, man. It got hit really bad. But don't worry, I got the heart, and I'm gonna take good care of you. I'll be explaining in the future videos on what exactly we bought here, but for generalization of what we got is a built motor VQ with a boost kit. Like I said before, next video will be an in-depth spec list of everything that we just bought and the plans of what we're going to do, as well as what we have to repair and things that we'll have to do for the Z. Gonna have to say it again, but shout out to your boy Aaron Newman for hooking me up with this motor, as well as Matt. It's unfortunate that Matt's car did get wrecked, but I'll be able to take care of this part from his car and make something great out of it. It is 6 a.m. I just had a 16-hour trip. I'm ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. And again, shout out to your boy Aaron Newman. I'll have his channel link right here, and I hope you guys have a good one. But I am tired, so we'll discuss about that later. See you guys later. Peace out.